To set up Green Dot Mobile Check Deposit, start by downloading the Green Dot Mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, open it and log in to your Green Dot account using your username and password. If you do not have a Green Dot account, you can create one directly from the app. Next, navigate to the Deposit tab and select Mobile Deposit. You will be prompted to accept the terms and conditions of the mobile deposit service. Read through the terms carefully and check the box to accept. Now, you will need to take a picture of the front and back of the check you want to deposit. Make sure the check is endorsed with your signature and the words "for mobile deposit only." Place the check on a flat surface with good lighting and take a clear photo of the front and back of the check using your smartphone camera. Enter the amount of the check and select the account where you want to deposit the funds. Review the deposit details carefully to ensure everything is accurate. If everything looks good, submit the deposit. You will receive a confirmation message once the deposit is successful. The funds will be available in your account according to Green Dot's funding schedule. It is essential to keep the check safe for at least 60 days after the deposit. In case there are any issues with the deposit, to ensure a smooth mobile deposit experience, make sure your phone has a good camera and a stable internet connection. Also, always keep your Green Dot app and operating system up to date to ensure you have the latest security features and deposit capabilities. By following these steps, you can easily set up Green Dot Mobile Check Deposit and start depositing checks remotely. This service is convenient, secure, and saves you time and effort. Remember to always review the deposit details carefully and keep the check safe until the deposit is confirmed.